Hello. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to make a pet picture frame in SelfCAD. We're going to start by making a cube. The width of the cube is going to be 100. The height is going to be 7, and the depth will be 120. So we'll press the check mark to make the cube. Next, we're going to draw the profile for the picture size. And we're going to press K+R to draw a profile for the picture size. And we're going to press U+A to pull up the Align menu. I'm going to align according to the picture frame. Want it to come up on the top. Want it to be in the center. So now we're going to close this menu. And we're going to save. Next, we're going to draw our text. So we're going to press F for freehand plus T. That'll pull up freehand text. We want our text to say wolf, and we're going to use this font here. And we're going to draw that. Let's call profile 2 picture size. We'll call this text wolf text. You could write whatever text you wanted. You could write your pet's name there. Now let's press this text here. We'll press S to scale it. And for the Y, we only want it to be too high. And we'll push these things around here to make it the size that we want it to be. Then let's press M. Now we're ready to import our image. We're going to get our paw print image to put on the... We'll go to wherever you have your image. And the tolerance is going to be 0.1. The amount is going to be -4. And we're going to flip the background. And then we'll close this menu. Let's call this paw print. And we'll press our paw print. First of all, we're going to have to scale it down a lot, so we'll press S to scale. Under Advanced Settings, we're going to press Keep Proportion. Next, we're going to take it down to 14. And that looks about right. We'll close this menu. And then press home to reset the camera there. We'll zoom the camera in a little bit. We're going to press our paw print again. We're going to press R to rotate it. And then rotate it 90 degrees. And that looks correct. We'll press scale again. We'll make it too high. And we'll press M again to move it. Like the other one, we want it to be 9 high. That looks like that's wrong. We want it to be 7 high. We want it to sit flat on top of the... This one also needs to be seven high. So then we'll just press M. Now that it's flat on top of the thing, we'll move it around. And we're also going to rotate a little to make it look nice. Next, we're going to make some copy offsets of this paw print. So press the paw print and press C+O. And we're going to do 2 copies for now. And we'll change the Z offset and we'll make it 25. And we'll copy them. Next, we'll deselect one of them so that we can move this one exactly where we want it. We'll press M, move it down. We'll deselect everything, press this one, press M, move it down a little bit also. I might move this one up a little bit. Make sure we have just that one selected. And when you're happy with the way they look, we'll grab all of them. Just click on all of them and then we'll do copy offset again. This time we're going to change the X offset. We're going to change it to 70 and we only need 1 set of copies this time. We'll press M again. We'll move them exactly where we want them. Next, I need to make 1 more copy for the center. This one will have a smaller X offset. We'll copy it. Press M to get it exactly where we want it. And that looks pretty good. So I'm going to save the changes right now. Then I'm going to select the middle paw prints. And I'm going to press U plus I to mirror them. And they're going the other way now. And I'm going to save again. Next, I want to bevel these edges on this. We're going to select the edge over here in this menu. Then we're going to press M plus B to pull up the bevel menu. We're going to have an intensity of 10 and a level of and a level of 4 there. And we're going to save what we've done so far. Next, I'm going to select the picture frame and the picture size here. And we're going to cut with the profile. Then we're going to press M plus E to extrude. And we want to extrude downward, so it's going to be -3. And that looks good. We'll press the check mark. And we'll save our changes again. Next we'll press K plus C to draw a circle. And we'll give it a radius of 5. Next we're going to press UA to bring up the Align menu. We're going to reference the picture frame and put on the bottom and on the back. Then we're going to adjust the Z offset. And a Z offset of 15 looks about right. Next we're going to select the picture frame and the profile. Then we're going to cut. Next we're going to press M plus E. And we're going to cut inwards at -5. So next we're just going to select all. We'll deselect our picture size because we don't want to include profiles. And then we're going to merge all our objects. And then we're going to save changes. And we have our pet picture frame now.